Welcome back. Now, Meta does have editing tools that do not cost additional in order to use, like ChatGPT. Now, we can work with the element that we have. Inside of Meta, we can go to the top of the post, and we can click here that says Remix. And what we're doing within this element is we're asking Meta to produce a variation. So we're going to click on Remix. We can then specify the element that we want. For example, we can say that we want to click blog post, which is what we want. We're going to choose the effect that we want from our blog post. And we can do that with any of these elements in the format area. So in this particular case, we're going to choose two aspects that Meta gives us as pre-selections, and we're then going to click Apply Changes. We're going to allow then Meta to recreate the element. We can then toggle back between different versions, and we have our new version. So you can use tools inside of Meta in order to reformat your creation from the chatbot. It's a good idea at this point to save our work if we're going to keep it. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.